Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today our topic is estimation. What is estimation? Estimation is the process of finding an approximate answer instead of an exact one. It is a highly practical skill that helps you solve mathematical problems quickly, check if an answer you calculated is reasonable, and make fast mental calculation in your daily life. We can see student learning outcomes. You will be able to find estimation, round numbers and decimals, estimate answer in related to addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Also, you use compatible numbers for estimation, apply estimation in real life situations. Now we can see key terms. To estimate effectively, you need to know how to round numbers. The general rule is simple. If a digit is 5 or more, round up. If it is less than 5, round down. Rounding whole numbers. When rounding a whole number, look at the digit to the right of the place value you want to round to. For example, round 4786 to the nearest hundred. Look at the tenth digit, which is 8. Because 8 is 5 or more, you round up. So the answer is 4800. Rounding decimals. We can see the same rule applies to decimal. Round 6.78 to the nearest tenth. Look at the number 8. 8 is greater than 5. Round up. The answer is that 6.8. Estimating operations involving addition. So we can see estimating addition. Instead of adding the exact number, round them first to make them easier to work with. For example, 487 plus 214. So round both the nearest hundred, and 487 approximately 500 and 214 approximately 200. Add the rounded number. 500 plus 200 is equal to 700. So the estimated answer is 700 while the exact answer is 701. So we can see estimating subtraction. 923 subtracted 286. Round both numbers. 923 approximate to 900 and 286 approximated to 300. Subtract 900 minus 300. The answer is 600. We can see the estimated answer is 600 while the exact answer is 637. Estimating multiplication. For example, 48 multiplied by 19. So we can round both numbers. 48 approximated 50 and 19 approximately 20. Multiply 50 multiplied by 20. The answer is 1000. The estimated answer is 1000 while the exact answer is 912. We can see estimated division using compatible numbers. Sometimes normal rounding isn't ideal for division. Instead, we use compatible numbers, numbers that are friendly and easy to compute mentally. For example, 624 divided by 8. 624 is very close to 640, which divides perfectly by 8. So 640 divided by 8, the answer is 80. The estimated answer is 80, while the exact answer is 78. We can see another example also. Now we can compatible numbers. Compatible numbers are the number that are easy to calculate mentally. For example, 198 uh, divided by 6, change 198 to a nearby compatible numbers 180. Because 18 is a multiple of 6. So we can divide 180 divided by 6. The answer is 30. We can see real life examples and real life applications. Estimation is incredibly useful for everyday math like tracking and sales. And a supermarket sold three. We can see an example. A supermarket sold 398 juices boxes on Monday and 612 on Tuesday. Around the daily sales, 398 approximately 400 and 612 approximately 600. Add them. 400 plus 600, the answer is 1000. The store sold about 1000 juice boxes. We can see another estimate following numbers using addition, subtraction, division and decimal roundings. Thank you so much. See you in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.